Hi friends, welcome in English grammar serial which is organized by KD Talk or KD Talks. Friends, this is episode number 4 of this series. So, let's start today's episode of the English grammar series. Hi friends, I am the KD Dhagar, the honor of the KD Talk or KD Talks. I am organizing one serial that is English grammar serial, and this is episode number 4 of this serial. So what we can study in this today's episode? So in today's episode we will study about letter. What we can study about the letter, word, sentence, letter, word, sentence. Also about today we can study how the poem and the story will be formed. So without wasting any time, let's start today's video. So first thing, in today's video we have to study about the letter. What we have to study? So in today's video we have to study about the letter. So what is mean by letter? So as you know that there are the specific letter of the specific language, but there are 26 letters. There are 26 letters in our English. There are 26 letters in our English. Which are they? They are A, P, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are the letters that I can tell that the letter there are 26 letters in our English, and which are the A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So this is about the letter. Now next thing we have to talk about the word. What we have to talk about the word? We have to talk about the word. So what is mean by word? So we can say that the word can form by joining of letters, joining of letters. What I am saying that the word formed by joining of letters. How can I tell you that the word can form by the joining of the letter? So I can give you the example, that is the word that name is as rabbit. Rabbit is a one type of a word. So in this rabbit you will see that the R is one letter, A is one letter, double B is one letter, I is one letter, and T is one letter. So these all are the letters, and when they join together they form the word that is rabbit. As well as I can give you the example, that is teacher is one of the best example. So you can see that in this word the TEACHER, these are the letters. What are they? These are the letters. Means T is one letter, E is one letter, A, C, H, E, R. These are the letters. And when we join together, we can make the one word. We can meet to the one word, that is teacher. So we can say that the words can form by the joining of the letters. Now let's talk about the sentence. What is mean by sentence? Who will tell me what is mean by sentence? Tell me in chat box. Okay. So what is mean by sentence? What is mean by sentence? So as you know about the sentence, that when we joined when we join many letters, many words together, we get the word, we get the sentence, we get the sentence, we get the sentence, sentence, S-E-N-T-N-C. So what I am saying that when we joined many words together, we get the sentence. Okay. So what kind example I can give you for this? So example I can give you that Ram is a boy. Ram is a boy. This is one type of a sentence. What is this sentence? This is one type of a sentence. Ram is a boy. This is one sentence. Okay. So in this sentence you see that Ram is one word, is one word, a is one word, and boy is one word. And when we join this word together, we have get the sentence that is Ram is a boy. So therefore I can say that when we join the many words together, we get the sentences. Okay. Now our next is how the paragraph will be made. How the paragraph will be made. How the paragraph will be made. What is paragraph? Okay. How the paragraph will be made. Okay. So how the paragraph will be made. So when we join the many letters, we get many sentences. So when I can say that when we join many sentences, we get the paragraph. We get the paragraph. What kind I am saying? That is when we join the many sentence, when we join many sentences, we get the paragraph. How can I give the example of this? How can I give the example of this to you? That I am saying that Kirit is good boy. Kirit is a good boy. I can give that one phrase. That is Kirit is good boy. He always respect the teachers. He always respect the teacher. He always respect the teachers. Respect the teachers. He always respect the teachers. What can I am saying? That Kirit is a good boy. He always respect the teacher. Okay. He is good in English. So this is a one type of a paragraph. What is this? This is a one type of a paragraph. And as you can see, Kirit is a good boy. Is one type of a sentence. He always respect the teacher. Is one type of a sentence. He always good in English. Is one type of a sentence. And when we join these sentences, we can get this paragraph. That is, Kirit is a good boy. He always respect the teachers. He is good in English. So therefore, I can tell you that when we join many sentences, we get the paragraph. And the paragraph and the sentences, as you know that the paragraph can come in the poems or the stories. Okay. Then this is all about the paragraph. So how do, next point is how do How do the stories and the poems was formed? I changing 1 minute only. Now, what kind I am saying now? How do wait for only 2 minutes? How do the poem and stories formed? How do the poem and stories formed? Wait for only 2 minutes. How do the poem and stories formed? How do the poem and stories formed? How do the poem and stories formed? So as we all know that when we join many paragraphs, when we join many paragraphs, when we join many paragraphs, we get paragraph, we get the story or poem. We get the story or poem. We get the story or poem. So what can I am saying that when we join many paragraph, here the spelling of a paragraph will be wrong, but I will sorry for this. But what I am saying, how do the poem and story the form? So when we join the many paragraph, we get the story and the poem. I give you the example of this at the last of this video. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Let's meet to the another video. Thank you friends and goodbye. I hope you understand these episodes. Okay, thank you and goodbye.